Here with Kathy, hairstylist. Pain.
Hey.
What do you have? Numbness and tingling?
Yep.
To the left arm and hand?
All of it.
It's a hot mess.
I'm scared.
We're going to fix her up today. She's a little nervous.
This
When's the
is
last time you adjusted? Has it been a while?
I mean, it was like last week.
Oh.
But he...
Didn't get it?
No.
Okay. Pressure's on. Let me have it, though. You got to let it fall in my hand. There you go.
Ooh.
I think that went.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
Wow. I thought it was going to be tough. You were like, I didn't get it. Oh, that one exploded. It exploded. Let it fall in my hand. Same with the weight of your head drop. And then,
Ooh. Ooh.
there you go.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Challenge accepted.
You are Iron Man.
There we go.
There it is. Wow.
This is a normal x-ray of a neck with the curve going forward. This is phase 1 of degeneration where we get misalignment. Phase 2, we start getting disc thinning and some bone spurring here. You can kind of see the spurs starting there. Phase 3, bigger bone spurs, more degeneration, disc space thinning, collapses on the nerves coming out right here. And there's phase 4, which is no correction possible. It's already fused together. This is Kathy's neck. Clearly reversed and disc thinning here, and you can see some spurring there. And the nerves that are coming out in this lower part of the neck are what go right down into the arm and hand, right there. That part of the neck goes right into the arm and hand.